So, a member of the Terra Classic community found something very interesting that everybody, and I mean everybody, needs to be aware of. Now, before we go ahead and get into this, do make sure you show your support for the ClearCryptos channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell, stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the ClearCryptos channel. Now, on Monday of this prior week, a self-acclaimed Terra Classic whale revealed that he had discovered a wallet that belongs to FTX. Now, obviously, FTX is currently in bankruptcy, but the amount that is in this wallet is alarming. Okay, there's currently 154 billion LUNC, worth over $27.5 million at today's prices. Now, the community has speculated as to what will happen with this, right? Some are hoping that this amount is going to be burned, which would be incredible, right? That'd be the most amount burned ever in Terra Classic history, right? Now, that being said, that's likely not going to be the case here, okay? Despite what people have been suggesting, these tokens do likely belong to FTX customers, and it would make it wrong to burn these coins, like it says here in the article. Now, either way, these are probably going to be included somewhat or to some extent in these bankruptcy proceedings. Now, whether that be through liquidation, whether that be to selling it off to creditors, whatever that may be, there is going to be something that is done with these coins. So this is something to definitely pay attention to if you are an LUNC holder. Now, that being said, obviously this is not financial advice. This is not to spread doom and gloom or anything like that. This is just to make you aware of these things going on. Keep in mind, FTX is in Chapter 11 bankruptcy, and these type of bankruptcies do take some time to play out. Okay, we're talking the possibility of well over a year. We've seen it happen before. We don't know what is going to happen this time, right? This time could end up being different than others, but it's definitely something to watch closely. As always, here on the ClearCryptos channel, just wanted to keep you guys updated and informed. Again, that way you can always keep luck on your side, just like me. Hopefully you guys have had a wonderful day so far. Again, if you haven't already, do show your support for the channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell. Again, that way you can stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. Hope you guys have a great day. Really hope to catch you in the next one.